امام ابو حنیفہ تھے، کوئی شان نہیں ملتا امام احمد رضا کا۔
السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ۔ I hope you are very well with the grace of Almighty Allah. First of all, عرس اعلیٰ حضرت مبارک ہو to all of you.
رضا پیارے رضا اچھے رضا سچے رضا،
ڈال دی قلب میں عظمت مصطفیٰ، ڈال دی قلب میں عظمت مصطفیٰ، جس کا سنی مناتے ہیں یوم رضا، اس امام اہل سنت پہ لاکھوں سلام۔ سیدنا اعلیٰ حضرت امام احمد رضا خان فاضل بریلوی was born on 10 Shawwal 1271 Hijri in a place called Jaisuli, which is in the city Bareilly Sharif, UP, India. Ala Hazrat had completed at the age of 13 years, 10 months and 4 days all the popular science from his father, Rais al-Mutakallimin, Maulana Naqi Ali Khan. He had graduated and on the same day he wrote the first fatwa. Ala Hazrat was also great mathematician. He used to solve the most difficult mathematical problem in a short space of time. Ala Hazrat specialized in about 70 science. Ala Hazrat has authored more than 1,000 books in Arabic, Farsi and Urdu, of which Fatwa Rizviya is the largest. And Ala Hazrat had access to all scientific science. You have written more than 150 books on scientific science alone. Many people have translated the Holy Quran into the Urdu language, but the translation of the Holy Quran presented by Ala Hazrat, called the Kanzul Iman, is proven to be the most unique translation in the Urdu language. In his translation, one sees that Ala Hazrat used only those words in his translation that are worthy for the attributes and the quality of Almighty Allah and of his beloved Rasul, who turned water into water by telling more than 300 types of water. The name of this person, Imam Ahmad Raza Khan, is Bareilwi. This great son of every science and art set on 25 Safar al-Muzaffar 1340 Hijri at the age of about 68 years. The Madar Sharif of Sayyidina Ala Hazrat is situated in the Mohalla Saudagaran, Bareilly Sharif in UP, India. Every year in the month of Safar, during the Ursa Sharif of Sayyidina Ala Hazrat, hundreds of thousands of Muslims from all over the world present themselves in Bareilly Sharif to partake in the Ursa Sharif of the Sayyidina Ala Hazrat. لحد میں عشق رخ شہ کا داغ لے کے چلے، اندھیری رات سنی تے چراغ لے کے چلے، تیرے غلاموں کا نقش قدم ہے راہ خدا، وہ کیا بہک سکے جو یہ سراغ لے کے چلے۔ رضا کسی سگے طیبہ کے پاؤں بھی چومے، تم اور آہ کی اتنا دماغ لے کے چلے۔ May Almighty Allah shower his choicest blessing upon the mazar anwar of this great saint. آمین۔
اعلیٰ حضرت ہماری جان ہے، اعلیٰ حضرت ہماری شان ہے۔